Insta360 Action features a clever modular system and comes with a 170-degree wide-angle lens. You can select wide, medium, or narrow field of view depending on the effect you want to achieve. The video quality is just amazing. It packs in 4K video at 60 frames per second, which allows you to capture clear, crisp, and immersive footage. It's waterproof to 50 meters and has excellent motion stabilization. The front color LCD monitor is a great tool for vlogging. It also supports super slow motion, so you can record your adventures in style. It's rugged and yet extremely lightweight and also easy to use. With a wide range of mounting accessories, basically can be attached to anything you can think of. Helmets, bike handles, surfboards, cars, and more. It comes with varied and elaborate settings to suit all kinds of activities. The battery is also very durable. It offers up to 3 hours of ongoing high-resolution video filming. You can also shoot stunning 360-degree videos and photos. The live stream function allows you to share your adventures with the rest of the world directly through Facebook. It has all the functions you want for just $499.